In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then click Consent, tap on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper, yes, apply, and over here one of those options to decide where you wish to apply it. Now, so sorry, misclick. Now click apply at the top right corner and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!